back to my channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of ICT hardware components. So let's get started. First, what is computer hardware? So, computer hardware includes all the physical parts of computer. This is important because it is the foundation of how a computer works. Without hardware, we can't run software or perform a task. Next, let's talk about the input devices. This helps us enter data into our computer. Examples of that is keyboards, which let us type, and mice, which help us navigate. Other input devices are scanners for copying physical documents and microphones for voice commands. This is essential for communicating with our computers. That's the input devices. Now, we have output devices. This show us a result from our computer. So for the word output, monitors display images and videos, while printers give us papers copies. Output devices help us use what our computers is doing, make them very important for users. So that's the output devices. Let's discuss processing devices. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer. Again, the CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer, handling all calculations. The GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, is crucial for rendering images and videos. Both are important because they are ensure our computers can perform tasks quickly and efficiently. Now, storage devices. We have HDDs, hard disk drives, which use spinning disks and are great for lots of data at a lower cost. Did you know touchscreens do double duty as both input and output devices? You can use your fingers to give commands, and they also display images and videos. This makes them super user-friendly. Why is choosing the right hardware is important? So, depending on your task, you'll need a different hardware. Like for gaming, you'll need a strong CPU and GPU. While simple tasks like browsing don't require as much power. So remember this, making the right choice can great effect of your computer's performance. And that's a wrap on our overview of ICT hardware components. I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.